friends.
Hello, friends. Today we'll meet 7 special friends.
The days of the week, let's say hello to each one.
Hi, on Monday, the day we begin new things. Let's start strong together.
I'm Monday, here to start the week. Fresh and bright, let's learn and seek. Hello. I'm Tuesday, full of energy to keep us moving forward.
I'm Tuesday, ready to go, learning more, watch me grow.
Hi, I'm Wednesday. We're halfway through, keep smiling. I'm Wednesday, right in the middle, dancing along to a happy fiddle. Hello!
I'm Thursday, cheering you on till Friday.
I'm Thursday, moving ahead, almost a weekend, just one more step. Hi, I'm Friday, time to celebrate what we've done all week. I'm Friday, hooray, hooray, fun and laughter to end the day.
Hello, I'm Saturday, the fun day for everyone.
I'm Saturday, let's run and play, games and giggles all the way.
Hi, I'm Sunday, a perfect day to rest with family and thank God for our week.
I'm Sunday, soft and sweet, rest and love make me complete. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too, Thursday, Friday, we love you. Saturday, Sunday, hip hooray, 7 friends for every day. You did it! Now you know all our day friends. Monday to Sunday,